Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Stellar is a distributed open source and community-owned blockchain network. Stellar was founded by lawyer Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb in 2014. It is used to facilitate transfers between assets. Stellar is committed to facilitating these transfers for a fraction of a penny, while striving to be an open financial system and provide people of all income levels with access to affordable financial services. Stellar's own digital currency is called Lumens XLM. To protect against spam, there is a requirement that each Stellar wallet contains at least a small amount of Lumens. With Lumens, users can send each other any currency, automatically converting it to any other. Stellar also supports smart contracts. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Stellar Lumens. Coinsler, near, Filecoin price analysis, 01 March. While overall sentiment saw a rapid improvement in the last 24 hours, Stellar and EAR's RSI to test its overbought levels before facing a slight pullback. On the other hand, Filecoin's super trend continued to be in the green zone, while flashing high volatility in the near term. Stellar XLM, after recovering from its January lows, they all saw impressive gains by rising above all its EMA ribbons. However, since the sellers accelerated their force at the $0.2464 level, XLM descended in a down channel, yellow. After losing over 37% of its value, XLM plunged towards its 13-month low on 24 February. During this phase, the 20 EMA continued to display a strong resistance. Over the last 5 days, XLM was up by 21% and broke out of its down channel. Also, the bulls kept testing the 19 cents resistance, while marking higher troughs. This trajectory revealed increasing bullish influence. Any close above this resistance could propel a test towards the $0.209 mark. At press time, XLM was trading at $0.198. The bullish RSI moved in an up channel and jumped above the 59 mark. Now, it most likely will try to test the overbought mark before a pullback. Near protocol, near, since its ath on 15 January, near lost 82.83% of its value and rushed toward its 11-week low on 24 February. Moreover, it lost its crucial $10.9 level resistance, previous support. Near witnessed an ascending channel, white, breakdown on its 4-hour chart. This fall formed a strong bearish trendline support, yellow, dashed. While the $7.6 horizontal support coincided with the trendline support, near picked itself up from the $7.6 level. With over 29.6% gains in the last 4 days, it reclaimed lost $9.5 support and displayed a bullish edge. At press time, the alt was trading at $9.752. After plunging to its record low, the RSI saw exponential growth as it eyed to test its overbought level. Nevertheless, the ADX stood quite weak and depicted a rather fragile directional trend for near. Filecoin, Phil bears initiated a steep downturn after breaking down from the up channel, yellow. With this fall, the alt matched its January lows and ensured the oscillation range of $16.25 since the past month. Over the last few days, Phil saw an up-channel recovery that bagged in 28.08% ROI in the last 5 days. Meanwhile, the super trend continued to flash a trend reversal are bright, whilst its technical indicators confirm the increasing buying influence. One can expect a clash between the buyers and sellers between the 23 cents and the demand zone in the days to come before a trend-committing move. Besides, the broader market sentiment and the on-chain developments need to be factored in to make a profitable move. Next news, EU commits to cutting Russian banks off from SWIFT over Ukraine invasion. The European Union has resolved to isolate Russia from the international financial system, including by blocking some banks from the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, SWIFT, the messaging network underpinning global financial transactions. In blocking Russia from SWIFT, the European Union would block Russian institutions from conducting any interbank transactions with non-Russian entities, effectively cutting it off from the global financial system. The move came days after Russian military forces launched attacks on various cities and military bases in Ukraine, including in the nation's capital Kiev. Italy, Hungary and Cyprus were initially opposed to the move, but expressed support for it on Friday and Saturday. Meanwhile, Germany is in favor of targeted and functional restrictions on Russia. The European Commission formalized this support later Saturday in a public statement attributed to the EC, France, Germany, Italy, UK, Canada and US. We commit to ensuring that selected Russian banks are removed from the SWIFT messaging system. This will ensure that these banks are disconnected from the international financial system and harm their ability to operate globally, the statement said. The EC also committed to blocking the Russian central bank from using its international reserves and preventing Russian oligarchs from buying passports in other nations to re-enter the global financial system. Officials in the EC also plan to launch a transatlantic task force to implement sanctions enacted by the EU, US, UK, Japan, Canada, South Korea and several other groups by identifying and freezing the assets of sanctioned individuals and companies that exist within our jurisdictions, the statement said. Further sanctions may be announced as part of this effort. We are working flat out on how to limit the collateral damage of decoupling from SWIFT in such a way that it affects the right people, Germany's Foreign Minister Annalena Baerbock and Vice-Chancellor Robert Habeck said in a statement on Saturday, according to Bloomberg. Officials from European nations plan to meet Sunday to begin work on this process. Given that SWIFT is based in Belgium, support across the European bloc was critical to expel any country, such as Russia. The crypto space will soon become mainstream. Each project offers unique plans for survival and dominance in the market. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Stellar XLM a good investment? How much will Stellar cost in 2025? But in reality, guessing price fluctuations and forecasting future prices is a hell of a task. But let's not waste time and proceed to the forecast, and we will start from the current year 2022, but perhaps I will clarify that at the moment the price of Stellar fluctuates around 18 cents United States dollars. XLM rate prediction 2022. For a long-term forecast of the Stellar price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of XLM will rise to around 26 cents by 2022 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 29 cents with a minimum price 26 cents level. XLM rate prediction 2023. XLM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Stellar price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Stellar rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 45 cents. Stellar average price prediction for the end of 2023 could be around 39 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Stellar price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Stellar could cross 65 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 56 cents. Stellar price prediction 2025. XLM has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Stellar, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of 94 cents. XLM is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 81 cents, a minimum price of 79 cents, and a maximum price of 94 cents. Stellar price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Stellar, XLM, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $1.19. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Stellar's maximum price could be up to $1.37 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market